In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or turn off hardware acceleration in Discord on PC. If Discord ever feels choppy, your cursor stutters while streaming, or animations look laggy, toggling hardware acceleration can help. Hardware acceleration lets Discord use your computer's graphics card to render animations and videos more smoothly. On many systems, that makes the app feel snappier. On others, especially with older or low-power graphics, turning it off can actually improve stability. The good news is, it only takes a moment to switch, and you can change it back just as quickly. Start by opening Discord on your PC. Look at the bottom left of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. Click that gear icon to open User Settings. This is where all of Discord's preferences live, from audio and notifications to advanced performance options. Inside User Settings, find the section called Advanced under App Settings in the left sidebar. Click Advanced. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Hardware Acceleration. This is the switch that controls whether Discord uses your GPU for rendering. To turn hardware acceleration on, flip the toggle to enable it. To turn it off, flip the toggle to disable it. When you change this setting, Discord may prompt you to relaunch so the change can take effect. Go ahead and allow the relaunch. It's normal and only takes a few seconds. After Discord reopens, the setting you chose will be active. A quick tip to decide which way to go. Enable hardware acceleration if you have a reasonably modern graphics card and you want smoother animations, better video playback, and lower CPU usage in calls or while streaming. Disable it if you notice screen flickering, artifacts, unusually high GPU usage, or performance issues on older hardware or when using remote desktop. Disabling can make Discord more consistent on low-end systems by using software rendering instead of the GPU. Once Discord relaunches, move around the app, open a server, or start a call to see how it feels. If things are smoother, great, you're done. If not, simply return to User Settings, go back to Advanced, and flip the toggle the other way. You won't break anything by experimenting, and you can change it anytime. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to Advanced, and toggle hardware acceleration on or off. Test the result, and stick with whichever setting gives you the best experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Discord running just the way you like it.